Free nga ba ang AirPods when you purchase a MacBook or an iPad using student discount in any Apple accredited store? Let's talk about that. So this is the advertisement from Apple Philippines website. So kung itry mo mag-purchase online, itry mo lang i-add to cart, eto yung lalabas sa cart mo. So this is for MacBook Air 13 inches na 24 gig ang RAM and 512 GB ang SSD. Ang original price niya without the student discount is 90,990. So I want to get the best value for my money kaya nag-inquire ako sa lahat ng accredited na Apple stores. So first, nag-inquire ako sa chat support nila sa Apple Philippines website and true that it is being offered. You just need to pay via credit card online. Anong downside? It will take days bago ma-deliver sa'yo yung item mo. I asked them also if the same offer can be availed in any Apple accredited store. They said each store might have different promotions. So, nag-inquire ako sa tatlong accredited Apple stores. Power Mac, Beyond the Box, and The Loop. Okay, so lahat ng stores nag-o-offer sila ng student discount. But none of the three stores I mentioned is giving away the free AirPods. And hindi mo pwedeng i-avail yung student discount if you wanna pay via installment. The discount can be only availed if you will pay via cash payment or straight card payment. So there you have it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. Thanks for watching!